Want to dive into crypto but overwhelmed with endless options? Stick around, I'll walk you through 5 coins every beginner should know. And before I begin this list, I want to say that this list is not it's going to be coins that I trust. And it's if you're looking for if you're not really looking for generational wealth, if you're looking to store your money in a coin that you feel like will have value over time, so you can either do what is called DCAing, or you can either put money and maybe get a little bit gains. But I'm not talking about 20x 50x gains, because those 20x 50x coins come with a downside too, with higher risk. That's the better way to put it. So this is not about those kind of coins. This is about coins that are more of an investment rather than a trading, buying and selling of those coins. Though you can trade those coins, but like that's a different topic, or that's a different conversation. But yeah, more of an investment, so over a long period of time and all that. And are coins that I feel like I can trust with a huge amount of money. So if I have $50,000, $200,000, even $5,000, I will prefer to put my money in these coins than more volatile coins. So yeah, but please note that this is not financial advice, and this is purely educational. And also, cryptocurrency in general is volatile. You can make lots of money, but you can also lose lots of money. Okay, so now let's begin. The first coin, of course, is Bitcoin. You can never go wrong with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like the granddaddy of, or the granddaddy of crypto. It's like, it's the OG. And you know, I'll just tell you a story. I have a friend in 2016. He was buying Bitcoin every month. He was earning, I think, a month. His salary was around $6,000, and he was just putting $100 every. No, not every month. Every week, he was putting $100 in Bitcoin every week. He didn't care about the price. This was 2016, and right now he has tripled his money in Bitcoin. His money has tripled. He has made good amount of money, and this is from his salary. It's going to be the best retirement fund he has ever had, better than even the the traditional form of the traditional form of retirement, where the government takes a certain amount of money, because this one has even bigger returns. So um there are different ways people invest in stuffs like Bitcoin. You don't need to put money all at once. You can do that. There's a downside. You can maybe in bad days. There was a period where Bitcoin went from 100 million market cap to 70 million, 100,000. Please, it has not reached 100,000 market cap to 70,000 market cap, and people who bought when it was 100,000 lost money, right? I don't think it even reached 100. It was 98 to 70. So people, who bought when it was 98, lost money. Though it has gone back to 98, and it has, but like, what I will say is, if you are seeing that, oh, the market is too, or the price of Bitcoin is too high, what you can do is you can do what is called DCAing. I'll make a video about what DCAing really means, but you can do what is DCAing by buying a small amount at a period of time, regardless of the amount, regardless of the price. Like my friend, up till now, he puts that same amount 1 week. The price has gone up, the price has gone down. It's none of his business. He just puts that steady amount till the day that is ready to take everything out. So yeah, coins like Bitcoin, I can with a little bit of confidence say that is okay to proceed with, or that's a better way to get that coin. So yeah, the second one will be Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum. I think of now, when I'm making this video, this is 2025 August. Ethereum has really shocked people because it has gone higher than people expected it to go. and it's going up. It's on a steady rise. And but there was like a 4 year period where it was just stagnant, and people were very, very unease. But here's the thing, right? You have to understand that coins like um, Bitcoin and Ethereum, people say that it's just 1% of the world that has invested in crypto, right? Yeah, and I don't know, I don't know the fact of that. I haven't researched that very well. But if there is, let's even say there is 10%, but it's not, it's definitely less, it's even less than 5%. I am sure of that, but I don't know if it's 1%. But let's say it's 1%, or let's say it's 5%. Let's just say, let's be generous, let's say it's 5%. More people are coming into the ecosystem. Dubai as a city is building infrastructures that favor cryptocurrency. There are countries that are allowing integration of cryptocurrencies in different parts of their businesses and platforms, their governments. And America is big on cryptocurrency, opening a reserve for it, and a Bitcoin reserve. So the fact is that more money is going to come, and that 5% that has invested in cryptocurrency will one day go to 10%, will one day go to 20%. There will be a day that 50% of the world has money in cryptocurrency. So no matter how high you think these prices are, or no matter how stagnant you think these prices are, especially with Bitcoin or Ethereum, you have a chance of making more money. But you have to be patient and you have to be consistent. So it's a good investment, but in a long run, it's not a short-term investment that you will be like, oh, I've lost 20,000, let me withdraw it. Or no, you go trade the other riskier ones if you want, like, or go do trading with these stuffs. But like, if you want to invest your money, you have to understand that the world has not even put enough there. The world have heard about it. I know that there's lots of people that have heard about crypto, and I'm not saying that this investing in things like Ethereum will make you generational wealth. I doubt that. But I feel like it's the best form of long-term investment. And the third, of course, is Solana. Of course, these are the three. What is it called? In rap is the big three. Oh, yes, so like these are the big three. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And I feel like Solana. I invested in Solana when it was $20. I remember very well when one Solana was $20, and of course I withdrew my money. Don't think I've kept money or I accumulated. I did not do any of that. I didn't have that patience. But Solana right now is $200. $200. Um, um, you know, it's amazing to see. The reason why I feel like coins like Solana, are so strong is it's a layer one blockchain. It has lots of, infrastructure under it that people can build on, whether it's, decentralized finances, NFTs, other smaller meme coins, and or just meme coins in general, so Solana is just it's the best bet if you want to have a play, if you want to have something that is at least, I feel like there will be a time in the future that one Solana will be more than $2,000. I know it sounds crazy, but when it was $20,000, not 20, when it was $20, seeing it as $200 for one Solana, it sounded almost impossible. But here we are today, one Solana, $200, right? One day it will be $2,000, but it's not going to be today. It's not going to be tomorrow. It takes time. Maybe from this $200, it might go to $170, $180. It was just $175 last week, and then back to 200 again. So, for long-term investments, this Solana layer one blockchain, amazing technology, amazing people are building. There is consistent infrastructures built under this ecosystem, the Solana ecosystem. So, I totally recommend Solana if you want to invest in cryptocurrency. Now that we've gotten the big three out of the way, I am not going to go to any other of those other coins, the altcoins. No. Because yes, altcoins are good, but I think I've done another video. I did not do like a list of the coins, altcoins anybody could buy. Maybe I'll do that, but the remaining two coins are going to be coins under the Solana ecosystem, or under the Solana blockchain. They are Solana coins, but they are coins that I have been tracking for a year and a half, and I have followed up. And yeah, let me just go straight to talking about it. The fourth one is called Fatcoin. Yes, Fatcoin. Yes. So I saw Fatcoin when it was 20 million market cap. I posted it on my Telegram group to my people, to my community. 20 million market cap. I bought it. I bought Fatcoin. It went from 20 million to 26 million. Yes, 26 million to 36 million. And it was going this range, like 20 million to 26 to 36, so after a while I sold it because like I didn't have the patience. Like I said, I'm not going to come here and say I made so much money, because I'm telling you that if you want to really have the patience, these coins will have potentials, but like I don't have, I put my money elsewhere, but right now Fatcoin is 1 billion market cap. Do you know what it is from a coin to go from 20 million? I saw it, 20 million market cap, and it's 1 billion. Its highest was 1.8. I think it's all-time high. I think it has reached 2 billion. I'm not 100% sure, but there was a time, I'm not too sure, but like it has gone that high, 1.8 to 2 billion. But like right now it's around 1 billion market cap. But do you know what it is? If I had invested any amount of money, I don't care if it's $10, if it's $20, if I had invested, and when it went from that 20 million to 1 billion market cap, it was within like a month. It wasn't like it was years. No, 1 month. But I just didn't have the patience. And let's forget about me. Fatcoin right now has shown that it is here to stay. It has gone through very hard times, and it has proven that it is stable. There are times where the whole market is down, things are 80% down, 60% down, and Fatcoin is still around the $1 billion range. The lowest it has come for the past couple of weeks or months is 800 million. So I feel like it is a good investment in the long term. Now, at the end of the day, it's still a meme coin, so you never know, because as Africans, we have this fear that off topic, you see an African, like they tell the African that enter this balloon, or just fly off this plane, and then you use parachute to come down, and they say this parachute will save your life. And the Nigerian or the African, I think I'll use Nigerian, the Nigerian will say, let it not be that it is my turn that the parachute now will not have problem. I know do. So it's more of like, let it not be that it's your turn that you went to go and invest in Fatcoin. Fatcoin of all times decides to start going down. I mean, if it happens, what can I do? But like I said, I've been tracking this coin for a year, and it has proven to be very reliable if you're putting a huge amount of money. So if you want to invest in Fatcoin right now, you look at the market. If the market is down, it's a very good amount. It's very good to go into it. with DCA in your mind, dollar cost averaging, it's very good to go into it. This regardless of the price. If the price, like, let it be 1.1 billion, let it be 1.8 billion, it's still going to when I say the price, I mean the market cap. It's still going to be a good entry. Now, if the market is high, like everything is pumping, I will recommend that for a long term, I recommend that if you have, you divide your money into sections and you put those sections in a period of time. Like, let's say you have, just example, $100. Don't put $100 in Fatcoin. You can put $100. Why not? Money is money. So you can put $100, but like, let's say you want to put $100 in Fatcoin. You can divide it to like 30, 30, and then 40, or 20, 20. Yeah, 20, 25 times, or 50, 30, and 20. So you put $50 first, and then after like a couple of weeks, if the market is up or down, you put the remaining and the next amount, or if it goes down, you put the next amount and all that. So that's still DCA, but it's higher risk if you buy when the market is high, because most people will start to take profits. So it's much more advisable that you DCA, you enter with a strategy, with a DCA strategy, if the whole market is high and money is just pumping. So yeah, but you can still make profit during that time. In fact, there are people I know that make lots of money during that period when the prices are going up, because when the prices are going down, you don't know where the bottom is. Yeah. But yes, Fatcoin, like I said, for a long-term investment, I trust Fatcoin. I think, this is not financial advice, please. Educational purpose, please. Yeah, and crypto is risky. Just saying it again, just so you know, so you don't come and hold my neck, But yeah, so the last coin will be Taz AI. There is a popular narrative that is going on in Solana meme coins, and the popular narrative is AI. And AI coins, most AI coins are very, very have gone very, very high. There are some that have gone down, of course, but the ones that actually have good community. And I saw when this Stars AI was in pre-sale, I bought it when it was like $4 million. Of course, I sold. So yeah, but the reason why Taz AI is something that I trust under the Solana ecosystem is the fact that it's one of those meme coins / AI coins that have utility. So basically, Taz AI lets developers create, tokenize, and trade AI agents in a modular infrastructure backed by the Solana Foundation, and with a market cap around $65 million. I mean, it's a great example of AI combined with crypto. So, right now, I feel like it's something that over time it will go beyond 100 million to 200 million and more. But it requires patience and it requires time. And the reason why I trust this coin, or the reason why I recommend this coin, is because it has the attributes of an altcoin that with utility. It has those attributes, but at a very low market cap, which is 65 million market cap. And of course, 65 million market cap is huge compared to some meme coins, but compared to altcoins that are like 500 million, 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, it's pretty low. And, I won't guarantee anything, but it's something that I have also been tracking for a year plus now, and I have seen its growth I saw this coin when it was in its pre-sale. I saw the community. I joined them on Telegram. I when it came out of pre-sale, it started at $4 million market cap, and I bought it. I stayed with it till like 8 million, and then I sold. Like I said, I don't have patience, but forget about me. Yeah, it's something that I feel like can still go forward more. So yeah, these are the five coins you should buy if you're looking to buy cryptocurrency right now. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Before we go, I have to say something. I have had lots of experience in crypto. I've had like lots of back and forth with whatever lessons that crypto have to give, and I have a school or academy that teaches these stuffs, Mentat Academy. So if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you're watching my videos on YouTube or TikTok or anywhere, I don't know where you're watching it from, but like anywhere you're watching it for the first time, go sign up on Mentat Academy. If you want to learn more about crypto, if you want to have a much more surer path into either making money in crypto, or creating a business in crypto, or getting a job in crypto, or just creating your life around crypto, taking advantage of this blockchain technology, join the Mentat Academy, and it will guide you. Once you sign up, it will guide you on the steps. You receive an email, and it will guide you on the steps on how to begin and all that. So yeah, that is all for now. Thank you so much, and see you later.